Okay guys, welcome back to another video. I just got off work and I'm going to pick up a project. It should be pretty fun. I also got my little passenger Molly chilling there. Hey Molly, what you doing? But yeah, she's gonna be tagging along for this trip. It's not too far, it's like an hour. So I was like, might as well take the dog along. Hopefully he doesn't have dogs, and then when I'm trying to talk and look at the four-wheeler, my dog's just barking in my truck. That would not be good. So let's hope that doesn't happen. But we're headed to go pick up the trailer right now, so let's get right into this video. Oh yeah, perfect. Now, this kind of sucks because I don't have a jack stand on my trailer right now, so I'm kind of winging it. I gotta lift it myself. Body weight. Oh, fudge. God, how much that sucks. That works. I just kicked it. Okay, now let me hook up the rest of my safety stuff and we'll hit the road now. Got the trailer. The sun is setting on us, so we're about to be looking at this four-wheeler in the dark, but it's all right. He's gonna have it in his garage, so it should be pretty well lit up. But I'm super excited. I got the cash in here, and yeah. Also, don't forget, I'm gonna keep mentioning this every single video. We recently hit 1,000 subscribers, and we're trying to hit 2,000. So if you guys enjoy the videos and you've been watching them for a while, or if this is your first video, you should definitely consider subscribing, because we got a lot of awesome content coming for y'all. So yeah, subscribe, and let's hit the road. We're right under an hour away, but look at that beautiful sunset. Well, it's kind of already gone, but it is so pretty. It's like perfect. Molly's still chilling. We're doing good. One thing though, my truck, I don't know if you can see that, 53 miles till empty. I forgot to fill it up after work. So we got 56 miles till we're there. Oh wait, that's 56 minutes. We got 54 miles till we're there, and my truck is 53 miles till empty. So I think we'll make it. Once I hit there's a road we gotta go down for a while. That's a 55 mile per hour road, and my truck gets really good gas mileage when we're going down that. So it should hopefully get us there. And then if not, I think I got like, once it's on 0, 30 more miles before it actually runs out of gas. So yep, that should be cool. But yeah, just check out that beautiful view. So yeah, I don't know when the next checkpoint will be, but stay tuned. Okay, update, under 30 minutes to their house, and hold up, I filled up on gas because I said screw showing up on 0 miles still empty, and I looked, he lived kind of out in the country, so I was like, yeah, I better not chance it, and I better just fill up. So I passed the gas station, I stopped there and I filled up, got like almost half a tank. And then what was it? Yeah, so I also, oh, you can't see me at all. So I also realized that I forgot to mention what I'm picking up. I'm picking up a four-wheeler. It's a 2012 Polaris Sportsman. So yep, now I got two Polarises. Well, maybe we haven't bought it yet. And it's a Polaris 400. It's carbureted, so it should be a little interesting. So it wasn't running at all, and it probably was because the carb was gummed up, is what he was thinking. And he just sent me a video on my way there. He's like, it's idling now. And then he said that, and he sent me a video of it idling, and sure enough, it's sitting there and it's like running good. It's not even running bad. And he's like, my dad told me to put some heat in it yesterday, and so that's what he did. And I guess that, I mean, it does clean out the carb, I guess. So yeah, heck yeah, I guess that's good for me. I mean, I don't think he's gonna expect more for it now because I didn't bring more money with me now. So it's just an even better deal for me. Because if the carb doesn't act back up and I don't have to take it apart and clean it, or maybe even buy a new carb if I can't clean it, it saves me the hassle. Heck yeah. So let's hope it stays running good. But I brought my trailer because I wasn't gonna push it up into the bed of my truck. That's too steep of an incline with how high my truck is up. And now I can just drive it in the truck bed. So yeah, I guess that's fine. I don't get as good as gas mileage, but who cares at this point? I'm super excited. How are you doing, Molly? Molly! Molly! She is zoned out. Molly! What are you doing? She's chilling. We're just jamming out. And yeah. Probably the next update will be when I've picked up this beautiful 2012 Polaris 400. So hopefully everything goes smoothly. And then I'll stop at a gas station and I'll do a little walk around of it if I get it. And if not, this is gonna be the final video clip of the video. So yeah, no, I'm joking. It probably won't be. I'll probably get it. So yep. Bye. Fun fact, the McDonald's right here that we're getting ready to pass is the McDonald's I bought my rims and tires from. Well, I didn't buy them from there. I met somebody in that parking lot, and yeah, they're the rims I'm rocking right now. The Fuel Mavericks. I love them a lot. They got a lot more offset than my last set, so they stick out a little. I think it looks extra sweet. So that's just a little fun fact. Since we were driving past it, I was like, might as well show you guys. So yeah, now we're 20 minutes away, so we're getting closer. We got 20 miles till my next turn. So, or no, 12 miles till my next turn. So yep, we're getting there. Okay guys, here she is for a total of 2,700. I got this 2012 Polaris 400. It's pretty nice. It's got a few scratches and chips. The plastics are only destroyed on the racks, so I plan on getting a front rack and a rear rack for it, but the tires are good. All the colored plastics are good. It's overall a very nice four-wheeler. I'm super excited. So here's just a little walk around of it. And yeah, hope you guys are excited for this one. It's gonna be a fun build. And we'll have 2 Polarises on the channel now. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super excited. Molly's super excited too, right, Molly? Molly! 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 Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Well, we'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Just kidding, that's not the end. Comment down below what you guys want to see me do to it. I'm legit up for anything. Whatever comments I like, I'll most likely do it. It doesn't need to stay green. I mean, it would be nice for it to stay green, but I mean, we can make it black or flat black like we did the other one. I don't care. You guys comment down below, or if you want a lift or a snorkel, just comment it down there. Maybe I'll do it. So yeah, bye.